Hi guys, and welcome to the... what's that? There's a cheeky trip monkey under the stairs.
Welcome to the show!
Hello, welcome to the show.
I was under the stairs and then I tripped my deli.
Yeah, you did.
We're gonna make something really awesome!
That's right. So today we are going to build a special timber tray that will contain all of Otto's Lego that he'll be able to sit in and play with all his Lego bricks, and they'll stay in there in his own little special Legoland. And we're going to build this out of timber today, and Otto's going to help with the tools.
Can you just stop talking for a second? Someone's bringing me in here. My phone is on here. Right. Oh, it's Otto. You? Well, me and my dad are just talking on the camera for a second, so I just have to, just pause you for a second.
Sorry about that, guys. I saw we got a phone call, and we just had to put them on hold for a bit whilst we continue. So yeah, Otto's gonna learn some carpentry today. He's gonna help me with building this special Lego tray. Ready, buddy?
Yes.
Ready to do it?
What?
Ready to do it?
Yes.
Let's do it. So Otto is showing you now the piece of plywood. This long piece of timber is going to be the sides of Legoland, recycled from someone's fence, and we're going to clean that up because underneath all this grey there should be some nice coloured timber under there, so that's going to be one of the first jobs. You know, you see the edge of this timber here is all grey and all rough, sawn and all nasty, yeah? So we're just running a plane over it. And look at the difference, look how it comes up. That would look nice. Yeah?
I think it's done.
So we'll do that on all four sides first, okay? And then we can start using the timber. Alright, so can you put your glasses and earmuffs back on again, please? All the sides are painted up, it's looking nice.
Should I hold that side?
Yeah, so what we need to do, mate, we need to measure how long this piece of plywood is from this corner to this corner. So
you can that corner to this corner?
That's right, yeah. They're going to be like that, but to give them nice strong joins, Otto, we're going to shape the pieces of timber so they have a diagonal end to them like that. And we call that a mitre. So I'm going to cut the timbers with this 45-degree angle, and then they'll all fit together like a picture frame. See, that is the same length as that, so that's going to fit like that in there.
This like you made
like the picture that I made. That's right.
Where's the picture? There.
Yeah, that's right. Just like the picture. It's like construction plans.
Yeah, just like constructions.
Construction. Right, I'll keep cutting. We just need to wait for some batteries to charge. So we're going to take Buster for a walk with the bikes. Aren't we, Otto?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because he said, wait, I want to go for a walk with you guys.
Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Welcome back, guys. We are back from our bike ride and the batteries are charged on my planer, so I've managed to clean up this next piece of timber that we need. We're going to chop the shorter sides now and then we're going to fit the frame together.
There's lots of sawdust.
Lots of sawdust.
Did that happen when?
That's from me shaving all the timber down with this electric plane here. So here we have 3/4 of the frame built. Cranny now. Yeah, go and get Cranny.
What does Cranny have to lift up, Daddy?
Cranny is going to lift the last piece of the frame into position. He's got to position it really carefully between here and here. So if you want to bring Cranny around here, he'll definitely need to have his feet down and he'll need his full boom. Cranny's winding the last piece of timber into place. Uh-oh. It's possibly too heavy for Cranny, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He needs something else.
Yeah, we need a bigger crane, don't we?
Like a real one.
Like a real one. Shall we just lift it into place with our hands? Yeah. Yes, the frame is built. Now we just got to wait for the glue to go hard, to go off and stick together. So we'll leave it there for a couple of hours. Good building, mister. Yeah. Otto is just having a little rest at the moment, so whilst he's doing that, I'm going to take the time and the opportunity to engrave the front of his Lego box. I want to show you what I was doing whilst you were having a rest inside. What do you think? Legoland. Do you like it?
Yeah. Is it done yet?
Yeah, that bit's done. We'll be able to put the bottom on now.
That bottom?
Yep. So now that all that's left is to put the base on. So in order to christen Otto's new Legoland, I couldn't help but get him a little treat surprise. He's going to be awesome, buddy.
Hey, that airplane guy.
It's like a racing plane, isn't it? Pylon racer. And that is a fishing boat. Awesome.
I'm going to make more boxes like that. It's not working.
I think you might need some magic scissors. Do you want some magic scissors?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I probably never make this box open right now. Make more boxes open now.
Cool. It's a boat, and this one floats, Otto. Floats in water.
I heard of it. Bye bye, kids.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching and joining us on this little
No, we got.
Legoland build.
They go watch us.
Yeah, well, we're going to set up a time lapse of what we're building now. But in the meantime, we'll say goodbye, and we'll see you soon.
And then when we finish, we'll show you guys.
Yeah, once we finish building, we'll show you what we've built, and then we'll show you when we pile in all the rest of Otto's Lego as well. Is built. Yeah, floats. Awesome.
Put the shark in there.
Put the shark in there. Look at the shark. Just before we go, guys, there's 3 special boys that Otto doesn't get to see very often that he really wants to say hello to.
Hey, Rowan and Otto Gilly.
You say hi and thanks for watching.
Hi and thanks for watching.
He's hilarious.